Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change the printer heads on HP SmartTank 515 series. It could be 500 because there are two. This one, the heads are fine. This one, the heads are not fine. What makes me say so? Because if I make a copy now, let me make a copy. You're going to see one copy, it comes blank. So that simply means one of the heads is what? It's not fine. It's gonna give me a blank what? Right? You can see this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the heads. I'll show you. I've got already the heads here, which I took from this. So I wanna show you how to change them. You just tap here and press this. You can see the heads are not coming here. So since they are not coming, so they have to come that side. So I'm gonna switch off. I'm gonna take off the power cable at the back. Then I put the power cable back. Once I put the power cable back, the machine is gonna come on. Then that head compartment is gonna come on this side. So we're just waiting. Once it comes that side, then I'm gonna have to stop them. Then I change them. Let's wait. Still initiating. Okay, now you see they're moving. When they move, they reach here. I'm holding them here. So after holding them here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch off. I took off the cable. After taking off the cable, so they can move any way I want them to move now. So what I do, I press here, and that opens. I press here. I take out this, the black one. I took it out. I'm gonna put it down here. Then I take out also this one for the colors. Then I get the new ones. Got the first one for the color, and put it in. You can see I put it in. Press in that. You can see I pressed it in. And I get the second one for black and white. You can see the second one. Put it in there. Okay, I'm done. So what I do, I press this to cover. So once I cover, I'm gonna cover that. Then yeah, after doing that, then I'm gonna make a copy. I'm gonna switch, put on this. By that I'm gonna be done. So put on the mic power. So for the meantime, I'm gonna get these ones. I also put them back here. So that shouldn't be stressed. I'm done. Oh, sorry. Put them here. Okay, close it. Okay, once we're done there, then we're gonna see we can make some copies. You can press here. If you press, it should make a copy, a right copy. It wasn't ready, that's why it's behaving like that. Just give it some chance. Okay, now you can see it's gonna make a copy. It's taking time a bit because there's enough papers. Yeah, we took it. It shouldn't be blank, this one. Something wrong happened. I'm gonna look into that, but it shouldn't be blank. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the, I'll make another copy. It's fine, but anyway, that's the way we change the heads. Oh, I'm sorry. The reason is also there was no paper there. There was nothing to copy. So I'm gonna copy this. Okay, after doing that, it's gonna be copy. Okay, you can see now it's making a great copy, guys. Well, that's it. Guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. The only thing I wanted you to see is you see they are all one series. It's like 500 and 500, 515. So they are the same. You can use the same heads. So these heads helped us and they worked on this. So we got some simple rain here. I wanna leave it here, guys. I'm gonna, yeah. So something not good here. Okay, it's raining outside. Well, it's raining here, and very beautiful outside. I'm done with the video, guys. I've been working on a couple of things here because I cleaned. You can see the hands and all that. I was cleaning the machine. This machine, it couldn't go well. It couldn't come fine. So I had to change the heads. Well, the heads worked well. And then, yeah, there's nothing much to do or to say. I'm gonna conclude with the video. Then we do what we will see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, please ask. But in most cases, these printers are very powerful printers. But once you see those signs, just know that you don't have heads. The heads, they are a little bit expensive. So I was lucky that there was a broken machine here. That's why I took the heads. Then everything is fine, guys. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Yeah, comment, subscribe, share. That's it. Yeah, bye bye, guys, and please support us. Leave some comments if you can.